Hello class, my name is Jeremiah Cleves Eden. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve a question in Math 103. But before that, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you are going to be updated on my next video. Please do well to like my post and drop a comment in the comment section. Also do well to share my link to others so that they are going to praise the link and direct them to my YouTube channel. And they are going to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that they will also benefit from what you are learning. So please, we are going to solve this question right away. It says, find the modulus of each of the following vectors. So we are going to find the modulus of all these vectors. Are you getting me now? Solution. We are starting with Roman numeral 1. So let's start with this. Minus 2i, vector I minus 5j vector. So let's go right ahead to find the modulus. Of course, let R1 equals what? This vector. We said what? Let R1 equals what? This vector. Now let's go right ahead to find the modulus of this vector. So the modulus of this vector now is what? It is this is how we represent modulus, which is equals to the square root of 2i vector plus I get it now. So we say what? The square root of what? 2i vector, and we're going to square it plus the square root, then what? Minus 5j vector all squared. Are you getting it? So what do we have? We have the modulus of R1 equals to, now these 2i square means what? Means this. Means what? 2 square I square. It means what? 2 square and what? I square, right? Are you getting it? So we have what? Plus minus 5j vector square means what? Minus 5 square j square. Are you getting me now? So having done that, we have R1 equals to this 2 square means what? 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is what? 4. And we also have what? We also have what? I square. I square means what? I dot I. And I dot I in vector is what? Is what? 1. I getting it? So we have what? We have 1 here. I getting it? So we also have what? Plus minus 5 square means what? Minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Minus times minus is what? Plus. 5 times 5 is what? 25. Are you getting it now? So we have what? Minus 5 square means what? Minus 5 times minus 5, which is what? 25. We also have what? J square. J square means what? J dot J in vector is what? Is what? 1. So we have what? Multiplied by 1. So having done that, let's go right ahead. Let's go right ahead to solve the question. So from here we have what? We have the modulus of R1 is equal to what? 4 times 1 is what? 4. We have what? Plus 25 times 1 is what? 25. So we have what? The modulus of what? R1 equals to 4 plus 25 is what? 29. So this is the what? This is the modulus of R1. So we can go right ahead. To find this modulus. The modulus of what? This normal numeral 2. Okay, let's go right ahead to solve the given question. Okay? Normal numeral what? 2 is what? is what this vector, right? So let what? Let R2 equals what? This vector. Let R2 equals what? This vector. Now the modulus, now the modulus of R2 will be what? Will be this, right? Equals what? The square root of what? The square root of minus I sine theta squared. I getting it like we did in the other one. Then we have what? We are going to divide by what? We are going to what? Put what? Plus between both of them. Between the what? Two vectors. So we have what? Minus what? Vector j cos theta. I getting it all square. Okay? I wrote this down here because we are going to also solve it. So that we are going to what? Also solve it. So this was what? Numerator 3. We are going to come back to it. So let's go right ahead to solve this question. So what do we have next? Okay? We have the modulus of what? R2 equals to what now? Now the interpretation of this means what? Vector I squared sine theta squared, because this square is for what? Both of them. Then we want separate it by what? Plus. We have what? Minus j squared cos theta squared. Are you getting me now? So having done that, what do we have next? We have the modulus of R2 equals to I squared is what? I dot I. And I dot I in vectors I told you is what? Is 1. And we have what? Sine theta squared, which means what? Sine theta multiplied by what? Sine theta. Or sine theta dot sine theta. Sine theta multiplied by sine theta, which is what? Sine theta squared. Sine 2 squared. Sine squared theta, rather. So we have what? Sine squared theta. Sine theta multiplied by sine theta is what? Sine square what? Theta. Okay? Let's go ahead. Let's divide it by what? Plus. You separate it by plus rather. Minus j squared means what? Minus j vector j dot minus j what? Vector. J dot j is what? 1. Minus times minus is what? Plus. So we have what? 1. Are you getting it now? So we have what? 1. Now cos theta square means what? Means what? Cos theta dot cos theta, or cos theta multiplied by cos theta is what? It is cos square theta. Are you getting me now? So we have what? Multiply by cos square what? Theta. So having known that, so what do we have next? We have the modulus of R2 equals to 1 times sine square theta is what? Sine square theta. Are you getting me now? Plus 1 multiplied by what? Cos square theta is what? Is cos square theta. Are you getting me now? So are you getting me now? So having known that, you're going to agree with me that the modulus of R2 is what now? According to in trigonometry identity, we have what? Sine square theta plus sine square theta is definitely what? 1. So we have what? The square root of what? The square root of 1. So the modulus of R2 is what? The square root of 1 is what? Is 1. So this is the solution to this given problem. Let's go right ahead to solve numerator 3, which is what? Which is what this, right? Let's go right ahead to what? Solve this, the third question. the third vector rather, in the given question. So